विचार करा. मीनाक्षी लेखींचं असं तर मी अगदी लक्षपूर्वक ऐकत होतो. What a beautiful talk, and then the fire of Suresh Prabhuji and Rahul Karabji, which is incredible. And the task of giving a valedictory speech, conclusive speech, you can imagine what a task it is. Everybody is already concluding, and you're meant to be giving the conclusive speech. It's quite a task. And especially after such elite personalities have spoken, but I will try my bit to share a couple of thoughts to conclude this evening. I was told I should speak in Marathi, and somebody even said I should speak in Konkani. पण माका कोंकणी येना. कोंकणी येना. आणि मराठी बोलायचा सराव माझा बऱ्याच वर्षांपूर्वी निघून गेलेला आहे. आता कुठल्या भाषेत बोलायचं हेच कळत नाही. आधी भाषण सुरू कसं करायचं, कुठल्या भाषेत बोलायचं हेच सुचत नाहीये मला सुरुवातीला तर. आणि आपल्या देशामध्ये ना, आणि मी मुंबईकर आहे. मागच्या 26 वर्ष मुंबईला राहतो, आणि मुंबईकर खिचडी करण्यामध्ये फार एक्सपर्ट असतात. खाण्याची खिचडी आणि भाषेची पण खिचडी. म्हणजे कुठली हिंदी बोलायची त्यात हिंदी काहीतरी. एक माझा मित्र माझ्याकडे येऊन म्हणतो, आपण का बाप ऑफ हो गेलाय. व्हॉट लँग्वेज काय. मी विचारलं कितने साल ऑन था. हाउ डू यू से ऑफ एंड ऑन को व्हाट अ टेरिबल लँग्वेज दॅट इज. आणि आपल्याला धड इंग्रजी बोलता येत नाही, हिंदी बोलता येत नाही, मराठी बोलता येत नाही. आम्ही असे मुंबईकर, आम्ही म्हटलं खिचडी करून बोलूयात आपण काहीतरी. अभी हिंदी में भी बोलना तो कितना बड़ा चैलेंज है. उसका अनुवाद करना, हर शब्द का अनुवाद करते करते अपने विचारों को आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करना तो बड़ी चीज होती है. हम अनुवाद भी कैसे करते हैं. एक टीचर ने मॉर्निंग सकाळी पळायला फक्त असे अनुवाद असतात ना. मी म्हटलं तर कुठल्या भाषेत बोलायचं. आपण अशी खिचडी करून इंग्रजी, मराठी, हिंदी आणि जमलं तर एखाद दोन असं कोकणी वाक्यामध्ये काहीतरी आलं. पण तुमच्या गोव्याची सोलकढी मात्र मला फार आवडते. आणि गोव्याच्या सोलकढीपेक्षा गोव्याचे लोक जास्त आवडतात. गोव्याच्या लोकांचे मुख्यमंत्री ते नक्कीच आवडतात. पहिल्यांदाच भेटतात, नक्कीच आवडतात. पण फार आनंद होतो तिथे तुमच्या समक्ष काही असे विचार प्रस्तुत करण्याची संधी करावी दिली. मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी आभारी आहे. आणि तुम्ही इथे बसला त्याच्यासाठी देखील हार्दिक आभार. शेवटचं सत्र आहे, शेवटचं भाषण आहे, सोपं नसतं ऐकायला, म्हणून तुमचेही आभार. स्वतःसाठीच एक When we kick off this evening session by telling you an interesting story that happened with me a couple of years back when I was a student, college student. Me and 3 of my friends went for a holiday to Delhi. Like, who goes for a holiday to Delhi? Sorry, madam. We go for work to Delhi. We go for a holiday to Goa. Like, you went to Goa for a holiday, we went to Delhi. And out of these 3 friends, 4 friends, 3 of us middle class, 1 guy a rich man. And he was like really super rich. Back in the day, like 25, 30 years back, in Mumbai, his family owned a Mercedes car. And in Mumbai, you're not known to be rich by the car you own. अब मुझे कितने लोगों ने दीवार पिक्चर देखी है हिंदी? दीवार मूवी में अमिताभ बच्चन और शशि कपूर का डायलॉग याद है. अमिताभ बच्चन शशि कपूर को कहता है, मेरे पास बंगला है, मेरे पास नौकर है, मेरे पास पैसा है, मेरे पास चाकर है, तेरे पास क्या है? You know the same dialogue of शशि कपूर. मेरे पास माँ है. 2021 it has changed. अमिताभ बच्चन says मेरे पास लैम्बोर्गिनी है, मेरे पास बेंटली है, मेरे पास फरारी है, मेरे पास रोल्स रॉयस है. तेरे पास क्या है? शशि कपूर, मेरे पास पार्किंग स्पेस है. In this 2021 in Mumbai, you are only rich if you have a car and your own parking space. And back in the day, 3 decades back, my friend's father had a Mercedes and a parking space. So all 4 of us, the fringe benefits of having a rich friend is you don't have to worry about all of the conveniences that come along. So back 30 years back, we went to Delhi for a holiday. and we were accommodated at Lee Meridian, Delhi, not the Gurgaon one which came now. Top of the end, Lee Meridian, Delhi. And my rich friend decided we will stay in the suite. 18th floor suite. We all came up there, we put all our packages and everything inside the room and we decided to explore Delhi. And our rich friend with a Mercedes in Bombay and a parking space in Bombay, all of us crunched at the back of an auto rickshaw. सगळे असे रिक्षामध्ये असे बसलेले. दिल्ली बघायला निघालो आम्ही. इथलं गोव्यासारखे बीच नाही दिल्ली. We went to India Gate, we went to the Lotus Temple, we went to Chandni Chowk, we went to the Red Fort. And संध्याकाळ झाली हो. In the evening as we were returning back in the auto rickshaw, we were all hungry like a hog. एवढी भूक लागली होती. पण आमचा मित्र श्रीमंत. तो म्हणाला आपण ते खाली रेस्टॉरंट मध्ये जेवायला जायचं ना, आपण रूम डायनिंग मागवायचं इन रूम. आणि इन रूम डायनिंगचे पैसे किती? How expensive? Like when I studied college in Mumbai, we have a 5-star hotel called President, Hotel President. And at Hotel President, a cup of tea costs you 500 rupees. आणि तिथेच खाली down there there's a टपरी, चाय का टपरी, चहाची टपरी माहिती आहे सगळ्यांना? चहाची चाय का टपरी. 500 rupees at Hotel President and the chai ka tapri 5 rupees. So we used to call that Hotel Vice President. At Hotel President 500 bucks, at Hotel Vice President 5 bucks. So we decided दिल्लीवरनं येता येता आज रूम मध्ये जेवण मागवायचं. We all came to the basement of the hotel, the reception, only to realize that there was a power failure. बिजली नहीं थी. The generator was not working. Remember guys, 18 floors up. And I turned to my rich friend now. Suite doesn't work. Mercedes doesn't work. Parking space doesn't work. Guess what? He said, look, if you're going to order a room service and fantastic meal in our room, this walk upstairs will be an appetizer. भूक लागेल चांगली वर चढून गेला. आणि आपण सगळे अगदी युवा वर्ग आहोत, युवक आहोत आपण. Let's walk it up. We decided to walk the 18 floors up as young men. But how many of you have experienced that when you chat, when you talk, when you tell stories, when you tell jokes, when you crack each other up, time flies like this? Any of you have experienced? Great. How many of you have experienced that when you are with a person whom you love, time flies like this? Brilliant. And how many of you experience that when you have sitting in front of somebody whom you just don't like, time comes to a standstill? How many of you experience that in a college sometimes during the lecture the time comes to a standstill? Oh, students are raising all their hands. वो लोग बोल रहे हम विराट ग्रुप होते तो और 1000 हाथ उठाएंगे. Can you imagine this? Time is so relative, isn't it? When you're having a good time, time flies like this. And when you're having a bad time, it comes to a standstill. Although time is the same 24 hours are fantastic when you have a good time, and the same 24 hours are terrible when you're having a bad time. It's all up to you. How you look at your time, how you utilize your time, that you make it good or bad. The same 24 hours are available to each and every single one of us. What we do with those 24 hours is our responsibility, our initiative. So as we were walking up, आम्ही एक दुसऱ्यांना म्हणालो की आपण आता जोक वगैरे आणूयात. We started cracking up, telling jokes. And as we walked up to the 16th floor, we realized the slightly chubby rich friend of ours, the Mercedes parking space wala friend, hadn't spoken a single word. How many of you know that in every group there is this one person who's terrible at telling jokes? Can you think of a face in your mind? You're like, when you think terrible at telling jokes. And if you can't think of a face in your mind, you are probably terrible at telling jokes. 100%, I must tell you, my God. Terrible, man. This chubby, rich, Mercedes-Benz parking space wala friend was like literally terrible at telling jokes. We are now walking towards the 17th floor. आम्ही त्याला म्हणालो, अरे बोल बाबा काहीतरी, कुछ तो बोल मेरे भाई. हम तीनों बड़बड़ किए जा रहे, कुछ तो बोल. As we were walking down towards the 18th floor, this guy opens his mouth and says, my joke is a terrible one. He says, I forgot the key to our suite at the ground floor. Just about 30 minutes back, we were at the Lotus Temple, where we heard the philosophy of ahimsa, non-violence. इस परिस्थिति में अहिंसा impossible. हम इन दोनों मिलकर उसको धोया. In Bombay language, we call it उसको धोया. मारा पीटा, like Bombay is a crude language. We beat him down. With great power of restraint, we walked down to get the key, back to go up to our rooms. Ladies and gentlemen, years later, I was at a gathering in the United States of America, and all of a sudden, the stories came up when I wrote it in my book. Isn't the fact that today in the modern world, we as a country and every country in the world has reached heights of success in the material sense? 18वां मंजिला चल चुके हैं हम लोग. इतनी उन्नति, इतनी प्रगति, इतनी सफलता हमको मिली है. आर्थिक सफलता, और अगर आप मारवाड़ी है तो आर्थिक सफलता की सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. आई एम मारवाड़ी by the way, so I can take some privileges to speak like that. One teacher came to a classroom and said to a boy called Varun, "Varun, what do you want to be when you grow up?" Varun said, "Well, I want to be a multi-billionaire. I want to have 365 cars, 25 homes, 5 chartered planes, 20 bank accounts." Teacher said, "I asked you what you want to be, not to write an essay." Then she turned to a Marwadi girl whose name was Pooja. But Pooja, don't write an essay like Varun. Tell me in 2 words what you want to be when you grow up. Pooja said, "Varun's wife." I can do all the everything is good. Trust me, all jokes apart. Even when we consider India today, the economic power of India today is massive, humongous. Right? All the brands of the world are in this country, and the buying capacity of this country is massive. Who in the world had have thought of buying a phone, a bloody phone, which costs $1,69,000? $1,69,000 का कोई फोन खरीदता है जी? हम लोग बहुत ऊपर की ऊंचाइयों पर चढ़ चुके हैं. And when it comes to technology and science, good Lord, the COVID pandemic has shown us how we are connected across the world. Sitting in one place, we're doing webinars. अभी तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि सबके समक्ष आके बोलने की एक संधि मिल रही है, अवसर मिल रहा है. हम तो वेबिनार और लुखे सब लोग वीडियो बंद करके बैठते हैं. लुखे सब वीडियो बंद, और स्पीकर किससे बात करे? कैमरा. How do you speak? This COVID was too much, isn't it? Like COVID was the first time in the history of the world where we were being told stay away from positive people. मेरा एक दोस्त को हाथ हो गई. मेरा एक दोस्त आके मुझे बोला, "It is in this last 1.5 years that my hands have ended up consuming more alcohol than my liver did in my entire lifetime." इतना सैनिटाइजर खाली किया मैंने अपने हाथ. I'll tell you what, guys, we have indeed climbed up 18 floors of success. As individuals, our capacity is way more than our previous generations. Your fathers, your grandfathers, for whom status quo was life, the next generation was standard of living, and now you're taking it to the next level. How can we say we've not made progress? As a nation and as individuals, we have. Technologically, we have made so much. आप में से किसी ने यहाँ पर कभी उपवास किया है? If you're from the Islamic faith, a roza. If you're from the Hindu faith, maybe Navratri or like Jain, some Paryushan किया कभी? आज की इस 21वीं सदी में दोस्तों, आपको उपवास करने के लिए खाना पीना रोकने की जरूरत नहीं है. एक दिन बिना व्हाट्सएप के, बिना गूगल के, बिना फेसबुक के, बिना ट्विटर के, बिना इंस्टाग्राम के एक दिन उपवास करके दिखाएं. खुदा खुद नीचे उतर के आएगा और बोलेगा, बस कर बदले, रुलाएगा क्या? As I was talking at this gathering in the United States, I was pondering over the fact that we have indeed climbed up several floors high in terms of progress in science, technology, economy, connectivity, digital economy. I was wondering, could there be a possibility that we may have missed the key behind? क्या ऐसा संभव हो सकता है कि हम इतना ऊपर चढ़ चुके, इतने आगे आए हैं हम लोग, इतनी उन्नति, इतनी प्रगति की है, इतनी तरक्की की है, क्या ऐसा संभव है की काही चाबी पीछे छूट गई हो. असं शक्य आहे का की एवढं वर चढता चढता आपली चावीची आहे ती मागे राहिली असेल. That key for contentment, that key for satisfaction, that key for fulfillment, that key for happiness. Because at the end of the day, we just don't want to be a financially prosperous nation. We want to be a happy nation. We just don't want to be a technologically advanced nation. We want to be a happy nation. We don't just want to be a scientifically astute nation. We want to be a happy nation. And look at what is our ranking on the happiness index of the world. Sometimes I find is that index even correct? कभी कभी मैं वो रिपोर्ट देखता हूँ और सोचता हूँ कि भारत आके किसी ने देखा है कि भारत के रास्ते पर रहने वाली एक महिला जब अपने बच्चे को मैं मुंबई में कहीं बड़े से बड़े लोगों के घर पे भी जाता हूँ, छोटे से छोटे लोगों के घर पे भी जाता हूँ. एक बार मैं किसी के घर गया था और उनका घर एक छोटा सा कमरा, बिल्कुल 8 बाय 8 का कमरा जहाँ 6 लोग रहते हैं. Or you have to cross like a big sewer, like a gutter. You have to cross thick black sewer of like stinking sewer to be able to cross that to go to their home. And I went there for lunch, a very good friend of mine, and I went to enter into their home for lunch. And I was seeing outside, just next to that sewer, gutter के बगल में एक महिला. उसके पास गैस नहीं था, वो रास्ते पे बैठती थी वो. उसने आपको केरोसिन वाला स्टोव देखा है का? त्याच्यामध्ये असं पिन मारतो आपण. तुम्हाला मराठीमध्ये किती लोकांनी ऐकले का रे पिन मारतोस? पिन मारणे म्हणजे हे असं. But the kerosene comes up. As this lady was doing that and making a hot roti. And as she was making this hot roti and feeding that little child, trust me, ladies and gentlemen, I've traveled the globe. Spoken at the UN, spoken at the British Parliament, spoken at Google headquarters, spoken at Facebook, spoken at Apple headquarters, spoken everywhere in the world. And guess what? वो जो माँ के चेहरे पे खुशी है ना, अपने बच्चे को एक गटर के बगल में गरम रोटी खिलाना, और जो बच्चे के चेहरे पे जो खुशी है ना कि मुझे गरम रोटी मिली है, वो मैंने दुनिया के बड़े बड़े घरों में भी नहीं देखी. और हमारा हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स पे कहाँ है देखो. Is that report even correct? But we as a country, we as the youth of this country, we as responsible citizens of this country, as we make strides on the 18th floor of our success, climbing up high up on economic development, climbing high up on technological development, climbing high on scientific development, we are trying to reach all our goals. Let us not forget that while we climb up, it is important that we do not forget what we possess. हमारी सांस्कृतिक धरोहर, मैडम इज द मिनिस्टर फॉर कल्चर, हमारी जो सांस्कृतिक धरोहर है इसको भूल नहीं सकते. People across the world come to this country not just to see the beautiful mansions of this country. People across the globe come to this country to understand the key that this country possesses. We have the most brilliant brains in this country. When I go to the Silicon Valley, to the Bay Area, I meet the biggest giants of technology who are from the country. Brilliant guys. But is that our USP? Is that our USP? Every country has a USP. Japan, technology. Middle East, oil. Our neighboring country, I don't even want to speak. I don't even want to speak. Each one of us has a USP. और हमारे हर देश का एक टैगलाइन होता है, टूरिज्म टैगलाइन. थाईलैंड, मैंने किसी को पूछा थाईलैंड का टूरिज्म टैगलाइन क्या, बोलता है मसाज. बोला इसको एक लगाना पड़ेगा. The tourism tagline for Thailand is, anybody? No? Amazing Thailand. Anybody knows what is the tagline for Asia? Truly Asia. Anyone knows tourism tagline for India?
Incredible India.
Incredible India. और इस इंडिया को इनक्रेडिबल क्या बनाता है? मीरामार का बीच, इस भारत को इनक्रेडिबल क्या बनाता है? कुतुब मीनार, ताजमहल, रेड फोर्ट, गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया। इस भारत को महान क्या बनाता है? इस भारत को महान बनाता है वो चाबी, वो संस्कृति, वो ज्ञान, वो विजडम। इस भारत को बनाता है आप लोग महान बनाते हैं। आपकी संस्कृति, आपकी जिम्मेदारी इस भारत को महान बनाती है। That's what makes India what it is. That's what I was listening to Rahul ji very keenly to say that it would be wonderful to call it Bharat. Back to say rather than saying it India would be lovely to call it Bharat again. We get back to our roots and call it Bharat. आपको एक बात बताऊं दोस्तों, हमारे जीवन का सुख ना गाड़ी से नहीं आता जी। गाड़ी अच्छी रहनी चाहिए, लेकिन हमारा जीवन का सुख सफर से आता है और हम गाड़ी के पीछे सफर को भूल जाते हैं। हमारे जीवन का सुख ना फोन से नहीं आता जी। इस पर जो वार्तालाप और संभाषण और बातचीत होती है ना, उससे सुख होता है, फोन से नहीं। वरना तो मैं कई बार कहता हूँ फोन हो तो आईफोन होना चाहिए। कई बार मैं कहता हूँ लड़का हो ना लड़का तो हैंडसम होना चाहिए, वरना स्मार्ट तो फोन भी होता है। तो आईफोन होना चाहिए। S1, S2, S3, S4 सेकंड क्लास के ट्रेन के डब्बे भी होते हैं। सॉरी अगर किसी के पास सैमसंग S1, S2 लड़की होना चाहिए तो लड़की अकलमंद होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि सूरत गुजरात में भी बातचीत से खुशी होती है। It's not a house that brings pleasure, it's a home with relationship that brings pleasure. Our country is not just talking about cars. Our country is focusing on the journey. Our country is not just focusing on developing great phones, that's fantastic. Our country is talking about improving the quality of our conversations. Our country is not just talking about building fancy houses. Our country is talking about building beautiful homes. Our country is not just talking about having fancy watches. Our country is talking about utilizing that time on that watch in a way that we as individuals and we as a nation develop together. और इसीलिए मैं कई बार कहता हूं, ऊपर चढ़ते चढ़ते ना जी चाबी मत भूल जाना। ऊपर चढ़ना ये हमारी संस्कृति है। अगर ये संस्कृति नहीं होती तो कृष्ण अर्जुन को कहते ले बेटा संन्यास ले ले, राज सिंहासन पर बैठने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। संन्यास ले, there is no need for anything, guys. If this is what this nation is teaching, no need for anything. Take sannyas, give up, leave everything. That personality, Krishna, inspired Arjuna to fight an entire battle, to take power. Why? Because if resources, power, position, control are in the wrong hands, there will always be exploitation. If power, position, control, resources are in the right hand, there will always be contribution. And what's politics? What's politics? What's redefining political leadership as the MIT School of Government is trying to do? Is exactly what Kurukshetra was. Transfer of power, transfer of control, transfer of resources, transfer of everything that is responsible for the development of a nation into the hands of those who have character. Competence many may have. We don't need people simply with competence. There will be many with competence who have a lot of competence. We need people with competence who have the character to use that competence for contributing to the world. और इसीलिए तीन चीजें होती है जब हम चाबी की बात करते हैं। एक चीज होती है रिश्ते। कई बार कहते हैं ना, जो सुख में साथ देते हैं वो रिश्ते कहलाते हैं, और जो दुख में साथ देते हैं वो फरिश्ते कहलाते हैं। हम सबको उन फरिश्तों की जरूरत होती है दोस्तों। Some people are saying, some people are so poor, so absolutely poor that all they have is money. If all you have is money, you're the poorest in the world. What we need is support. What we need is guidance. What we need is love. What we need is connection. और ये राष्ट्र है रिश्तों का राष्ट्र, परिवार का राष्ट्र. There's a great economist, Mr. Gurumurthy, and he wrote a great book on how women are responsible for the increased GDP of this country. इस राष्ट्र का जीडीपी हमारे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट पर निर्भर नहीं करता. Oh, what a revelation that was. He said इस राष्ट्र का जीडीपी निर्भर करता है हमारी महिलाओं पर. You know why? Because we are a saving economy. अच्छा, आप में से कितने लोगों ने किया हाथ उठाएं? How many of you have, when the shampoo bottle is over, पानी डाल के हाथ उठाओ? Okay. How many of you have done this when the toothpaste is over? बेलन से toothpaste निकाला? अच्छा, आप में से कितने लोगों ने ये किया जब साबुन खत्म होता है ना, साबुन तो जो छोटा बचता है उस पर नया साबुन लगा देता है. ये वो राष्ट्र है जहां जब टी शर्ट में छेद होता है हम उसको फेंकते नहीं, रात के लिए रखते हैं. जब रात के लिए भी यूज करने के लिए भी योग्य नहीं रहता ना, हम उसको होली के लिए रखते हैं. और जब होली के लायक भी नहीं बचता ना, फिर पोछा लगाने के लिए हम फेंकते नहीं है. हमारी महिलाएं कुछ फेंकती नहीं है. जीडीपी बढ़ेगा कैसे नहीं? अब तो the most simplistic thing I think you have to listen to Professor Gurumurthy to hear how the GDP of this country is so much dependent on the ladies. It's a women-driven economy. Ladies, give it out for yourselves because it's a women-driven economy. And I'm not going to prove it. I don't have the time enough to prove it. You need to go to the Gurumurthy to tell you how it's a women-driven economy. हम रिश्ते वाला देश है, नहीं? How many of you kids here who are in college at the moment want to make your parents proud? Thank you. हम में से कितने लोग हैं जिनके पेरेंट्स के पास आज ज्यादा नहीं है, लोन लेके पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आपको अपने माता पिता के चेहरे पे मुस्कान देखनी है और उनको एक अच्छा मकान देना? Thank you. Thank you. How many of you would like to get married and settle down and have a bright future for your parents? Oh, sorry, for your family. कोई हाथ ही नहीं उठा रहा. इतने डरते हैं, my God. I'll tell you what, ladies and gentlemen. The key, one aspect of that key with all that progress is relationships. This country always stood for a family-centered economy, a family-centered culture. हमारी संस्कृति परिवार की संस्कृति है, रिश्तों की संस्कृति है, और रिश्तों में कोई परफेक्ट नहीं होता. Neither is your husband perfect, nor your wife perfect, nor your father perfect, nor your mother perfect, nor your guru perfect, not your leaders perfect, not your friends. Nobody is perfect. एक लड़की आई एक पंडित जी के पास और पंडित जी को बोलती है, पंडित जी शादी करना चाहती हूँ. ऐसे लड़के को क्या बोलते हैं? जो हैंडसम हो, एजुकेटेड हो, पैसे वाला हो, घर का काम करे, झगड़ा भी नहीं करे, शॉपिंग के लिए पैसा दे, बच्चों को संभाले, बर्तन भी मांजे. क्या करते हैं? क्या कहते हैं लड़के को? पंडित जी को मन का वहम कहते बेटा. मन का वहम कैसी लड़की? आपको बताएं, there is never going to be a perfect person. If I want to leave you with one sutra for your relationship before I come to my conclusion of nation building, because enough has been spoken about nation building, I would like to give it a complete 360 degrees view to see, along with climbing up, what is that key that we need to focus on? Relationships. Nobody is perfect. लोगों की कमियों पर ध्यान मत दीजिए, उनकी खूबियों पर ध्यान दीजिए, क्योंकि ऐसा कोई इंसान नहीं जिसमें कमी नहीं है. कौन है जिसमें कमी नहीं है दोस्तों? कौन है जिसमें कमी नहीं है? आसमान के पास भी जमीन नहीं है. Nobody is perfect. And therefore one mantra that you must all remember for your relationship. You want to chant after me? Can I request all of you to join me in chanting after me? Om Ignoraya Namaha.
Ignoraya Namaha.
Do chant this. ये मंत्र जप करने के लिए नहीं है. मंत्र जीने के लिए अपने रिश्तों में छोटी छोटी चीजों को My second thing that I want to share you about the key, one is your personal relationships, second is your social contribution, which is where nation building comes in. संस्कृत ना बहुत बढ़िया भाषा है। संस्कृत में आपको किसी को गधा कहना है ना, उसको आप वैशाख नंदन कहते हैं। कितनी सुंदर भाषा है। किसी को गधा कहना तो लगे वैशाख नंदन, उसको लगेगा कविता की रचना है। और कुछ बात बताओ, आप इसका कहीं पर प्रयोग कीजिए। यहाँ जो बैठे हैं ऊपर मत कीजिए, उन्होंने सुन लिया है, लेकिन बाहर जाओ, कोई दोस्त ने सुना भी ना, उसको जाके बोलो आज शाम को फोन करो, बोलो वैशाख नंदन कैसे। बढ़िया है भाई, ऐसा विशेषण यूज किया है आपने हमारे। संस्कृत भाषा ऐसी है। संस्कृत में आप अगर सिगरेट कहेंगे तो आधुनिक चीजों को अगर आप संस्कृत में कहेंगे तो कैसे बोलिएगा? श्वेत पत्र मंडित धूम्र शलाका, किसी की दुकान टपरी पे जाके बोले पैसा ले श्वेत पत्र मंडित धूम्र शलाका दे, तो हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा। तो क्या मांग रहे हैं? और अगर आपको संस्कृत में आइसक्रीम कहना हो ना दोस्तों, तो उसको कहते हैं दुग्ध शर्करा युक्त हीम घन गोलगट्टू। अगर मैंगो आइसक्रीम कहना तो आप कहेंगे आम्र दुग्ध शर्करा युक्त हीम घन गोलगट्टू। ऑर्डर करोगे तो कैसे कहोगे? आम्र दुग्ध शर्करा युक्त हीम घन गोलगट्टू आने। ऑर्डर देते देते बिगड़ जाएगी। लेकिन आपको एक बात बताएं, आइसक्रीम के पीछे की भूमिका जो है ना, बहुत स्वार्थी भूमिका है। The philosophy behind the ice cream is enjoyed before it melts. And life melts away also. It'll end. And that bhumika, that philosophy behind the ice cream ideology is enjoy your life before it melts. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, धूप है कहीं कहीं है छाव जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल होना। नहीं हूँ, लेकिन इसके लिए तालियां थोड़ी कम पड़ती तो अच्छी होती, क्योंकि आइसक्रीम के पीछे की भूमिका क्या है? बस enjoy your life. And opposite of the ice cream is a candle, a mombatti. And what's the philosophy? Give light to others before it melts. Both the ice cream melts and a candle melts, but ice cream is a very selfish thing. Enjoy, and a candle is a very selfless thing. Give and contribute. Now we can't be an ice cream, we shouldn't be an ice cream, and we can't be a candle. इतना निस्वार्थ कोई है कि अपना सब कुछ समर्पित कर दे विश्व के लिए, देश के लिए, नेशन बिल्डिंग के लिए? But just because we cannot be a candle, shouldn't we move away from being an ice cream lady? दूसरों के लिए जीना सीखना चाहिए। ये संस्कृति है जहां हम योगदान को बहुत महत्व देते हैं। सामाजिक योगदान, राष्ट्रीय योगदान और वैश्विक योगदान। जैसे मीनाक्षी जी बतला रही थी कि जब देश प्रदेश बदलेगा तो देश बदलेगा, और जब देश बदलेगा तो हो सकता है विश्व में हमारी जो आइडेंटिटी वो बदलेगी। लेकिन प्रदेश में रहने वाले युवक और युवतियां, जब तक वो नहीं बदलेंगे प्रदेश नहीं बदलेगा। Up and until the residents of the state do not change, a state, a country, a society, the world is not made of wood, is not made of steel, is not made of iron, is not made of cement, is not made of bricks, is not made of mortar. It is made of human beings. And until the human being changes, until the human mentality changes, no amount of governance can do anything. Because governance is putting law in order, things in order, but if human beings don't want to put that law into practice, you know how hard that becomes. Japan, I read something in Japan once that said, if everybody can do it, I can do it too. If nobody can do it, I must do it. India, I read something completely different. If everybody can do it, why should I do it? And if nobody can do it, how can I do it? ये जब तक बदलेगा नहीं ना, until unless this mentality doesn't change, how can I do it? You guys are the future. Youth is the future. If you can't do, who will do? If you think that why should I do? And how can I do? Who will do? And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, guys and girls, my dear young friends, contribute to this country because we are a part of this country. I must say this. I don't have 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I don't know. I have no clue what time.
So there are questions also, Swamiji.
No, sure. I'm just going to conclude in a few seconds, few minutes rather. So thank you. When the Honorable Chief Minister says, then you can have your time on the mic. You should never say that to a speaker because speakers are all mic kalal. Yes, we can contribute in multiple ways. One of the ways we can contribute is by growing so big financially, climbing so big financially. There are many people in the country who are contributing massive amounts of money for the building of the nation. छोटा मत सोचिए, पैर की मोच और छोटी सोच इंसान को कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ने देती। पैर की मोच से चल नहीं पाता और मन की छोटी सोच से आगे बढ़ नहीं पाता। There was a little boy who once came to a balloon seller, गुब्बारे बेचने वाले के पास आया और गुब्बारे बेचने वाले से सवाल पूछ रहा है, अंकल अंकल ये लाल वाला गुब्बारा उड़ेगा ऊपर हवा में? हाँ जरूर उड़ेगा बेटा। बच्चे कैसे होते मालूम है? कैसे कैसे सवाल पूछते और कैसे कैसे जवाब देते बच्चों के। सवाल भी वैसे जवाब भी वैसे। छोटी बच्ची आई और दुकानदार से पूछते अंकल मैं कैसी लगती हूँ? 4 साल की बच्ची, अंकल कैसी लगती हूँ? दुकानदार में बड़ी प्यारी लगती है बेटी। तो बोले तो फिर मैं बड़ी हो जाऊंगी तो आप मेरी शादी आपके बेटे से करेंगे? दुकानदार बोले जरूर करोगे बेटी। तो वे तो अपने होने वाली को बहू को एक फ्री कैडबरी चॉकलेट Kids, one teacher was asking a kid in class, 6-year-old, which state of India are you from? He said, I'm from Arunachal Pradesh. Can you spell it? He said, I'm from Goa actually. Goa, easy. Well, boy is asking, is the red balloon Goa? Yes. Black? Yes. Pink? Yes. Green? Yes. The balloon seller was tired. बोला बेटा, गुब्बारा आसमान में उसके रंग से नहीं जाता। गुब्बारा आसमान में उसके भीतर भरी हुई हवा से ऊपर उठता है। दोस्तों हम लोगों के रंग अलग अलग है, हमारी की जातियां, हमारे धर्म, हमारे प्रांत, हमारी भाषा, हमारी संस्कृति। जो मीनाक्षी जी ने जो श्लोक बताया, अनेक भाषा, अनेक रंग, अनेक वेशभूषा, विविधता है इस देश में। हम लोग सब एक रंग के गुब्बारे नहीं है। Our country is a country of diversity from north to south and east to west. Multiple languages, multiple cuisines, multiple cultures, multiple ways of dressing up. I was so touched when I saw the Padma Awards. Last night I was in Kochi and I hadn't got the time to watch it. So I was watching the Padma Awards. And when I saw Tulsi Gowda, how many of you saw Tulsi Gowda's video? When that lady walking up to the President of India to receive that award, I must tell you, I had tears in my eyes. Tears in my eyes. She has done incredible. She's a leader. You need to be an educated, literate person to be a leader. Look at that lady, the kind of attitude she has. उसने कभी ये नहीं सोचा था कि मुझे पद्मा अवार्ड मिलेगा इसलिए झाड़ लगा। जी नहीं, पेड़ लगाया और भारत के पास और कोई चारा नहीं बचा। ध्यान देना पड़ा, ध्यान लाना पड़ा कि कुछ कर रही है तुलसी गौड़ा जी। Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, externally I may be a Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Jain. Externally I may be rich, poor, middle class. Externally I may be so educated, less educated. Our growth upstairs and going up doesn't depend on the color of the balloon. It depends on the what's inbuilt inside here. Crack this, as somebody was saying, build that fire. जब तक आग नहीं होगी ना अंदर, कुछ नहीं कर सकते। आमच्या मुंबईला मी म्हणतो पेटलेला आहे। मुंबईमध्ये एक शब्द आहे पेटलेला। आत्मा असा पेटलेला पाहिजे काहीतरी करायला। जोपर्यंत आगमध्ये आग लागत नाही ना तोपर्यंत काही होणार नाही, असेच राहणार। तुम्ही गोव्यात एक काहीतरी करत राहणार, छोटं मोठं काहीतरी चालू राहणार। योगदान करायचं असेल ना आतमध्ये आग पाहिजे, पेटलेला पाहिजे तो आग। And therefore, this kind of conferences are to incite that fire, to invoke that fire within our youth, so that we can do something and maybe go to the heights of that sky like the balloon and contribute financially. More than that, I think contribution is responsibility. We have to be responsible citizens of the country. The greatest contribution each one of us can make is to be a responsible citizen of Bharat. जब हम जिम्मेदार बनते हैं और जिम्मेदारी लेते हैं, सब मिलके एक उन्नत भारत, एक नव भारत हम जरूर बना सकते हैं. And the purpose of this is political leadership, training the youth to be leaders. Trust me, within everybody there is a leader. All we need is a good guide and a mentor. Like Hanuman needed a Jambavan to point out to him what was the power within him. This kind of conferences are to find out the Hanuman sitting within all of you. This kind of conferences is to figure out what the potential within all of you is and to bring it to the forefront. I must tell you that there are people out there in the country who are doing incredible work. Some have been recognized, some are still yet to be recognized. And you all here will probably also be one of those who didn't seek recognition, who sought a purpose, who sought contribution. Then were later recognized. इसलिए कई बार मैं कहता हूँ सबसे बड़ा योगी वो जो उपयोगी होता है दूसरों के लिए. In that word उपयोगी is the word योगी. सबसे बड़ा योगी बनना चाहते हैं, उपयोगी बने इस राष्ट्र के लिए, इस देश के लिए. These are social contribution which fulfills us. And last but not the least, the third aspect of our thing is our connection to the divine, to divinity, which has been a culture of this nation, which has been the foundation of this nation here. And therefore, as we climb up the 18 floors up, don't even think small. मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही, मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही. गुमराह तो हुआ है जो घर से निकली ही नहीं. घर से निकली बाहर पड़ी, जिम्मेदारी लीजिए, उत्तरदायित्व लीजिए, जो अपने से बन पाता है वो करिए, पहुंचेंगे कहीं ना कहीं. So as we are climbing up, do not forget one aspect to our key, our relationships. Second aspect to our key, our contribution. And the third aspect to our key, our spiritual connection. Together these three things are called our culture. हमारी संस्कृति रिश्तों से, सामाजिक योगदान से और हमारी आध्यात्मिक उन्नति और हमारे आध्यात्मिक कनेक्शन से बनती है. That is what makes our life and our contribution complete. Like a guy asked a man, what is the difference between the word complete and finished? So the guy replied by saying, when you find the right partner in your life to marry, the life is complete. When you get the wrong partner in your life, life is finished. But when the right one catches you with the wrong one, life is completely finished. Jokes apart, life will be finished one day. And before it is finished, let us make it complete. As we climb up, हमारा राष्ट्र वो है जहाँ हम ऊपर चढ़ेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे, प्रगति करेंगे, उन्नति करेंगे, तरक्की करेंगे, लेकिन रिश्तों की, योगदान की और आध्यात्मिकता की चाबी साथ साथ में लेते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे, खुश रहेंगे और विश्व को भी खुश करेंगे. और एक दिन हैप्पीनेस इंडेक्स पर ऊपर उठेंगे जब कैलकुलेशन सही होगी और एक फोटो और स्लाइड दिखाएंगे कि उस माँ के और उस बच्चे के चेहरे पे क्या सुख होता है कि उस कटहल के बगल में वो एक रोटी बना के अपने बच्चे को खिलाती है. Once again, my gratitude to all the great privilege, pleasure to speak with you all. Thank you very much.
Needless to say, a big round of applause for Dr. Gaurav Kasti. And standing ovation, sir.
Thank you.
Standing ovation from entire team.
Thank you.
I request everyone to be seated. We have interesting questions and answers. I'm sure there will be some interesting questions and interesting answers. I request the students, those who are standing on.
बस मेरा फोन जो है ड्यूअल सिम कार्ड. In the name of romance and love and relationships today, मुझे लगता है कि प्यार मोहब्बत की बातों में हम सच्चे प्यार और मोहब्बत का जो फाउंडेशन उसको भूल गए। और सच्चा प्यार और सच्ची मोहब्बत होती है सेवा। When you say that I love somebody, to love somebody means to say I serve that person. I love you are just three hollow, shallow words. It takes 30 seconds to repeat the words I love you. It takes probably 30 minutes to mean those words. And it takes an entire lifetime to live by those words. You know? And when I say I love you, my love is not just between a guy and a girl. When you say I love my parents, that means I serve my parents. When you say I love a girl and I want to get married to that girl, that means I take responsibility to serve that girl and to, with great respect and dignity, treat her like a queen. Treat her like a queen. Where in this country, I'm sometimes so disappointed to see how people treat women. My aunt, my own aunt, Mary Buaji, she committed suicide, burning herself to death because of domestic violence. I saw her. I was 8 years old. And in front of my own eyes, I saw my Bua being burnt down to ashes. When we talk about I love you, it's not just some sentimental hocus pocus. When I talk about I love you, we talk about responsibility to serve and treat each other with respect, with dignity, with value. And when we say I love my country, Meenakshi was referring to JFK, who said, ask not what the country can do for you, ask what you can do for the country. So when I say I love my nation, it means how do I serve my nation? If I say I love a girl, it means how do I serve that girl? If I say I love my parents, it means how can I serve my parents? If I say I love God, that means how I can serve God. That word love means to serve. And अब अगर कह रहे हैं कि आध्यात्मिक, अगर मैं केवल भगवान का नाम लूं और आध्यात्मिक बन जाऊं तो क्या मुझे उस लड़की को भूलना पड़ेगा? बिल्कुल नहीं, because spirituality is inclusive, not exclusive. आध्यात्मिकता इंक्लूसिव होती है। उस आध्यात्मिक प्रेम में लड़की का भी प्रेम होता है, पेरेंट्स का भी प्रेम होता है, राष्ट्र का भी प्रेम होता है। When you talk love, love is an inclusive emotion, not an exclusive thing, just for a girl, just for God, just for this or just for that. I hope I am kind of answering your question. Thank you.
आम्ही पुढला प्रश्न घेऊया.
I'm sorry, due to some further commitments of the dignitaries on the dais and extreme paucity of time, we won't be able to take any more questions. I'm really sorry for that. But yes, it has been indeed a very, very wonderful journey. And once again, a big round of applause for Dr. Gaur Gopal Dasji, Meenakshi Lekhi ji, and everyone on the dais for giving their time. And I now request all the dignitaries, if they can please come forward with the folder in their hand for a beautiful, memorable photograph.